Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the second video lesson of grade 2 science. I am your science teacher from Honors Kindergarten and Secondary School. Today we are going to learn remaining 4 units. Unit number 6, seeds, fruits and flowers. Unit number 7, solids, liquids and gases. Unit number 8, measuring instruments. Unit number 9, day and night. Let's start the video lesson. Unit number 6, seeds, fruits and flowers. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to learn structure of seed, number of seeds in different fruits, seeds outside the fruit, parts of a fruit, parts of a flower. Seed. Students, do you know what is a seed? A seed is a small hard part of a plant from which a new plant grows. The life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. The seed is protected by an outer covering called a seed coat. सीड में एक छोटा सा बेबी प्लांट होता है जिसे एम्ब्रियो कहते हैं. सीड की ग्रोथ के लिए कुछ चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं जैसे सॉइल, सनलाइट, वाटर और अच्छी क्वालिटी का सीड. Germination of a seed. The seed absorbs water from the soil and provides moisture to the embryo. The first sign of the growth is a tiny root which comes out of the seed. With more and more nourishment, the embryo starts growing. Roots नीचे की तरफ ग्रो करती है और ज़मीन से फूड और न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब करना शुरू कर देती है. इसी दौरान शूट ऊपर की तरफ ग्रो करती है. जल्द ही एक बेबी प्लांट टाइनी लीव्स के साथ ग्रो करता है. The process of the growth of a seed into a plant is called germination. Fruit. Fruit protect the seed that lie within. A fruit is the part of a flowering plant that contains the seeds. फ्रूट की स्किन पतली और सख्त हो सकती है. इसका अंदरूनी हिस्सा अक्सर मीठा और रस भरा होता है, लेकिन कुछ फल ड्राई भी हो सकते हैं जैसे नट्स. फ्रूट्स डेवलप from a plant's flower. Parts of a fruit. The parts of a fruit are seed, flesh and skin. कुछ फल ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें लोग वेजिटेबल्स कहते हैं, like tomatoes. इनमें बीज होते हैं इसलिए इन्हें वेजिटेबल्स नहीं कहा जा सकता. Number of seeds in different fruits. Some fruits have only one seed, like plum, peach. Some have a few seeds, like apple. Some have many seeds like tomato, watermelon. Seeds outside the fruit. Students, do you know strawberries are the only fruit that wear their seeds on the outside? Flower. The flower is a part of a plant. The flower grows on a stalk, यानी उसका तना जो उसे सपोर्ट देता है. Inside the part of a flower that has petals are the parts which produce seeds. Parts of a flower. The petals are the brightly colored outer part of the flower. The sepals are the lower part of the flower. They are found below the petals. They protect the bud. Bud is a small or undeveloped part that develops to a leaf, flower or shoot. The stamens contain the pollen, which is a fine yellow dust. Students, there are some important points in the unit. Let's have a look on them. Fruits have seeds mostly inside the middle. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called a shoot. The root usually remains underground. Nectar is a sweet liquid made by some flowers. Many insects drink the nectar. Learn words meaning and question answers from your notebook and bookwork on page number 29. Unit number 7, solids, liquids and gases. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to learn matter can be classified as solid, liquid and gas. Properties of solids, liquids and gases. Temperature can cause a change in the state of matter. Three states of matter. There are three basic states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. सॉलिड की शेप आसानी से बदली नहीं जा सकती, ना ही इसी किसी बर्तन में उंडेला जा सकता है, जबकि लिक्विड अपने कंटेनर के मुताबिक शक्ल बदल लेता है और गैस भी शक्ल तब्दील कर सकती है। मिसाल के तौर पर जैसे एक शक्ल एक गुब्बारे की होगी, इसमें भरी गई गैस भी वही शक्ल इख्तियार करेगी। सॉलिड. Solid is one of the three common states of matter. The molecules in solid are closely bound together. Liquid. लिक्विड मैटर की वो हालत है जिसमें लिक्विड आसानी से आज़ादाना बह सकता है, लेकिन उसका वॉल्यूम हमेशा एक जैसा ही रहता है। मिसाल के तौर पर पानी, दूध, तेल, हम इन्हें किसी भी बर्तन में डाल दें, 1 लीटर पानी 1 लीटर ही रहेगा। गैस. A substance such as oxygen or hydrogen that is like air and has no fixed shape. गैस आमतौर पर जलाने के लिए इस्तेमाल की जाती है। स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता है सूरज भी गैसेस से मिलकर बना है, द वेरी हॉट गैसेस। आपको पता है जब कोई बीमार होता है और उसे सांस नहीं आता तो उसे ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड की जाती है, जो फ्री तो नहीं होती, और हम रोज़ाना सांस लेने के लिए कितनी ऑक्सीजन इस्तेमाल करते हैं और हमें एक पैनी भी नहीं देनी पड़ती। ये हमारे लिए अल्लाह ताला का गिफ्ट है। एयर. एयर इज मेड अप ऑफ गैसेस. एयर इज द इनविजिबल मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस सच एज नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन दैट सराउंड्स द अर्थ. पौधे, इंसान और जानवर इसे सांस लेने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं। मेल्टिंग. द टेम्परेचर at which a given solid will melt is called its melting point. When ice melts, it becomes water. Water is liquid. Boiling. The temperature at which a liquid boils and turns to vapor is called its boiling point. When water is heated, it becomes vapor. Water vapor is gas. Freezing. The temperature at which a liquid turns into a solid when cooled is called its freezing point. When water freezes, it becomes ice. Ice is solid. Students, there are some important points in the unit. Let's have a look on them. Everything around us is made of matter, even us. All things around us are either solid, liquid or gas. Liquids can take the shape of their container. One important gas in the air is oxygen. Fire needs oxygen to burn. Learn words meaning and question answers from your notebook and bookwork on page number 33 and 34. Unit number 8, Measuring Instruments. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to learn measuring instruments, kinds of measuring instruments. Measuring instruments. How high is it? How big? How heavy? How far? How long? हम इस तरह के सवालात पूछते हैं, लेकिन हम कैसे पता लगा सकते हैं कि किसी चीज़ की लंबाई कितनी है, इसका वज़न कितना है? इसके लिए तो हमें इसकी पैमाइश करना होगी, और पैमाइश करने के लिए मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट यानी पैमाइशी आलात की ज़रूरत होगी। द मशीन्स that are used to measure things are called measuring instruments. We measure lengths and distance with a ruler, a meter rod or a measuring tape. Let's measure the length of our finger. Put a ruler along your finger and measure the length. By using this method, we can measure anything. Now it's your turn to measure the length. You can measure your bag, scale or pencil. Measuring weight. A weighing scale is a machine that shows how heavy something is. We can measure the weight of anything on a measuring scale. You can also measure your weight. Measuring time. Why do you think knowing the time is important? What would happen if you did not check the time and were late for school. Time is very strong and powerful thing than anything in this world. It may destroy a lazy person as well as strengthen a hardworking person. Time is measured with instruments such as clock. There are many types of clock. Some of them are digital clock, quartz clock, pendulum clock, wristwatch. Measuring temperature. We can tell how hot or cold something is by measuring its temperature with a thermometer. Have you ever felt sick and feverish? The thermometer shows us how high our body temperature is when we have fever. The temperature of the air around us is also measured by a thermometer. Measuring liquid. We measure liquids such as water, milk, and oil in cups, beakers, and other containers. For example, when you measure any type of liquid ingredient, use a liquid measuring cup. Students, there are some important points in the unit. Let's have a look on them. Scientists are always measuring things. Weights, sizes, and amounts are very important in science. Cloth is measured using a meter rod. We can measure temperature by using thermometer. Learn words meaning and question answers from your notebook and workbook on page number 38. Unit number 9, Day and Night. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to learn about the sun, the earth, orbit of the earth, movement of the earth. Earth. The earth is a planet. It is round like a ball. We call this shape a sphere. The earth is a planet and has air, water, and sunlight. These three things make life possible on earth. The earth, along with 7 other planets, move around the sun. Orbit. The earth takes one full year to complete one orbit around the sun. Movement of the earth. The earth also spins on its axis. This movement is called rotation. It completes one rotation in 24 hours. The side of the earth which faces the sun has daytime. The side facing away from the sun is in dark and has nighttime. Students, there are some important points in the unit. Let's have a look on them. The sun is a star and has its own light. The earth completes one orbit around the sun in a year. The movement of earth around the sun is called rotation. Learn words meaning and question answers from your notebook and bookwork on page number 47. Thanks for watching.